That's right. We want you to take out the papers in the trash so you can get some spending cash. And the way we're going to do that is we are going to take the papers that you write down your mathematical equations and feel obligated to write them down on a piece of paper and then scan them in and put them into a problem set or put them into an exam. Those days are over. Instead, we want to be able to use Microsoft Word and let Word do the heavy lifting for us. So one thing you might think, well, okay, I can write equations in Word. It's as simple as m or y equals mx plus b. That looks ugly and you're subject to the auto formatting and the red squiggly line. You didn't spell that right. There's no suggestions. Bad news. So we're not going to just type things out in Word. We're going to go ahead and use the equation editor within Word. So I come to Insert, go all the way to the right to Equation. And there we have it. Y equals mx plus b. So that's what I type in. And there you have a nice equation set up. Y equals mx plus b, proper spacing, no auto formatting. It looks nice. But you can go a step above and beyond that. So I can come up to Insert, Equation. I can do y equals ax squared. And I hit spacebar and it automatically becomes an exponent. Plus bx plus c. And there again we have another nice looking equation for that. Now, if I want to get into Editor quickly, I don't want to have to keep going over here to Insert Equation. If I type in Alt, not Atlanta, but Alt, equals. So I hold down Alt, not type, but rather hold down Alt and then hit the equal sign. It automatically opens up Equation Editor for me. So in this, I can then come up here. There's all these design ribbon. I can do Greek letters. I can say beta. I can do _1. That's a subscript, a shortcut for a subscript. I can do plus alpha. And then I can come over here and do subscript. Plus alpha times theta 1. I can then do plus an operator, xi. I can do all sorts of things. Minus, let's go ahead and do an accent, x bar. There's all sorts of things you can do with an equation editor. And that's what I want you to be able to use. Now, at first you might say, man, it's tough. And I'm going to not disagree with you. It is. First time you try to use this, it's going to take you a little bit of time to get used to. But as you practice with the equation editor, you find that it goes really quickly. So I come Alt equals. I can do something quick and easy. Beta naught plus beta 1 x plus u. And there I have a quick, simple regression model. We'll talk about that later in the section, in the course, but quick ways to do it. So I highly recommend and encourage you to use Equation Editor as much as possible. And remember, don't talk back.
If you don't scrub that kitchen floor, you ain't gonna rock and roll no more.